Alright guys, so today we are going to be making the picture frame. It is on page 26 of Paper Sloyd by Edna Ann Reich. And let's get started. So you are going to need a 5 by 10 rectangle, which I've already cut out here. And we're going to place dots at the top and the bottom at 5 inches and draw a line. 5 inches, 5 inches, line, there's my line. Place dots on the left and on the vertical line at 1/2 and 4.5. So 1/2, 4.5. 1/2, 4.5. Place dots on the vertical line and the right at 1.5 and 3.5. 1.5, 3.5. 1.5, 3.5. So draw lines. Oh, I'm sorry, it was the vertical line and over here. So 1.5, 3.5. These lines go here. Who would have known? I messed that one up. Oh well. Okay. Alright, place dots on the horizontal lines at 1.5 and 3.5. 1.5, 3.5. 1.5, 3.5. Now we're going to draw this box here. Now 1/2 from this edge here, we're going to put lines here to hang our picture up. Now we are going to cut this off and cut this off and cut this part out. So what you can do is slightly fold the paper, that's what I'm going to do, and make a mark, make a cut in there, and now I'm going to remove that. You can also use an X-Acto knife. That probably would be more precise. But that's okay. Fold the paper. Looks like I need to cut here. And now you can put a picture in. So now you're going to punch holes here. And then you're going to paste the sides down so that you can slide a picture in from the top. So that's what I'm going to do with my Elmer's glue. And I'm going to make a little picture to slide in. Let's see, would that be enough? Yeah, we're going to use this to make a picture. Okay. we'll need to cut it. Hope I didn't cut it too much. I did cut it too much. Oh well. It's Easter tomorrow, so I'm going to give this to my daughter. And then you can just hang it up. There you go.